30. The incomparable Creator, when this world he did create, created first of all, the first intelligence, first of a chain of 10 intelligences, of which the last sole agent in this, our universe, active intelligence, so-called, the one, distributor of evil and of good, of joy and sorrow, himself apart from matter, an essence and an energy, his treasure, subject to no such talisman, he yet hath fashioned all that is, material form and spiritual, sprung from him, by him, directed all, and in his bounty drowned. Therefore is he that firman issuing Shah, to whom the world was subject, but because what he distributes to the universe himself from still a higher power receives, the wise and all who comprehend aright will recognize the higher in the sage. His, the prime spirit that, spontaneously projected by the 10th intelligence, was from no womb of matter reproduced, a special essence called the soul, a child, fresh sprung from heaven, in raiment undefiled, of sensual taint, and therefore called Salaman, and who Absal, the lust adoring body, slave to the blood and sense, through whom the soul, although the body's very life it be, does yet imbibe the knowledge and desire of things of sense, and these united thus, by such a tie, God only can unloose. Body and soul are lovers each of other. What is the sea on which they sailed? The sea of animal desire, the sensual abyss, under whose waters lie a world of being, swept far from God in that submersion. And wherefore was it Awa in that isle, deceived in her delight, and that Salaman fell short of his desire, that was to show how passion tires, and how with time begins the folding of the carpet of desire. And what? The turning of Salaman's heart back to the Shah and looking to the throne of pomp and glory. What but the return of the lost soul to its true parentage, and back from carnal error, looking up, repentant, to its intellectual throne. What is the fire? Ascetic discipline that burns away the animal alloy, till all the dross of matter be consumed, and the essential soul, its raiment clean of mortal taint, he left, but for as much as any lifelong habit so consumed may well recur a pang for what is lost. Therefore the sage set in Salaman's eyes a soothing phantom of the past, but still told of a better Venus, till his soul she filled and blotted out his mortal love. For what is Zuhra, that divine perfection, wherewith the soul inspired and all arrayed in intellectual light is royal blessed, and mounts the throne and wears the crown and reigns Lord of the empire of humanity. This is the meaning of this mystery, which to know wholly ponder in thy heart, till all its ancient secret be enlarged. Enough. The written summary I close. I set my seal. The truth, God only knows. Now, we can look at this Kabbalistically, as it said, although the Kabbalah actually is after some Sufi stuff, but not this poem. Well, parts of the Kabbalah, but see the Venus, that Lucifer, that light bringing principle. So let go of the shallow Lucifer that distracts you from the spiritual, but the one that blesses you in this life for the hereafter. And, you know, Kabbalistically, we have dot, and we have the ein Sup hour, right? So you have one or the other of those. So you have all these 10, and okay, some of them are pretty exalted and all that, and you think that's it, and you're gone beyond the body as your identification and all that. But really, your true identity is this this between sort of thing. Yeah, you're a clay being, and that makes you different than other souls that aren't clay beings, and a human one, and that makes you different there. But